Worried your Apple Watch 11 might be water damage? Here's how to spot the signs and what to do safely. Apple explains that Apple Watch 11 is water resistant, not waterproof. Common water damage signs include screen flickering or unresponsive touch, speaker muffled or no sound, unexpected restarts, or failure to power on. Check your watch carefully for those indicators after exposure to water. Then open the watch app, then General, About, and then click Diagnostic and Usage. If there are unusual logs or repeated errors after water exposure, it may indicate internal water intrusion. Apple recommends not attempting to charge the watch if you suspect water damage. Visually inspect ports and the speaker area. Apple advises drying the watch completely using a lint-free cloth, then placing it in a cool, dry area. Avoid heat or direct sunlight to prevent further damage. If problems persist, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider. After checking for signs and drying your watch, monitor its behavior. Do not attempt to repair it yourself. This is the official guidance for dealing with Apple Watch water damage.